So my bathtub was not draining well, and this was causing the tub to get dirty quickly, and it was very annoying. Look at that. It is so gross. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and quick hack I used to unclog the bathtub drain. You won't need any chemicals at all, but this tool right here called Drain Clog Remover, it will do wonders for you. I'll put the link in the description box on where you can get it. Let's do this. First, remove the bathtub stopper right here. Look at that. This is the culprit right here. The drain is full of hair, y'all. Not good at all. Let's fix that. Insert the tool through one of the small holes and let it go all the way down, and then pull the tool out. You can repeat the process again just to make sure there's nothing left over. Another option that will avoid hair clogging your drain is using a hair catcher like this one here. It will do the work for you. I'll put the link in the description box on where you can find it. All done. Look at the transformation, y'all. Day and night difference. The drain is unclogged and the water is now flowing easily. Look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. My job is done here. You can try this at home. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.